Hi everyone, welcome to Introduction to Word 2007. I've opened up here one of the documents that was sent to you with the original email. It was called 01 Formatting Text, and the title across the top is already in a title style. Underneath it's talking about heading 1 styles and heading 2 styles and heading 3 styles. To change this text, which is just in normal text at the moment, I'm clicking my mouse to the left where it becomes an arrow shape, and that selects the whole line of text. Up here in the styles area there's a style called heading 1. If I click my mouse on that, it becomes the heading 1 style. It's got a constant look. Heading 1 will look the same throughout the document. If I click my mouse to the left of the next line, and it turns blue with one click to the left, just next to heading 1 is a heading 2. And one more. I'm going to click left of the third line, and there's a long list of styles here, but here's heading 3 on my list. When I click off, you can see there is a subtle difference between heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3. Slightly different colours and different sizes for the text. A bit further down I've got this list of fonts with a size at the end of each line. I'm clicking my mouse to the left of the first one, it turns blue, and the number on the end of this line is the number 24. At the moment the text is in a font size 11. So I'm hitting the triangle here and clicking my mouse on the number 24. Even before I click it, it's showing me or previewing me in the background how big and how it will look. While it's still blue, where it says Calibri, this is the font style. Here's some recently used fonts on my computer, but Comic Sans is not amongst them, so Comic Sans will be way down here in the C area alphabetically. When I see Comic Sans MS, I click on that, and this is Comic Sans font size 24. Be ideal if you're writing something for young children to read. It's the style that they write at school, and size 24 would be very easy for their eyes. Clicking left of the next line, the number on the end of that line is 20, so up here where it says size 11, I'm choosing size 20, and it's in a font called Algerian. Not very far down the alphabet, A for Algerian. And the next one is size 16 is required. I'm going to change that to size 16. And where it says Arial font, I'm hitting the little pull down. Notice my most recently used are Algerian and Comic Sans. Arial is again down here in the list alphabetically. There are quite a few Arials. Just choose the plain Arial. Nice, clean, easy to read font. If you wanted to select a single word in a list, double click on the word, it turns blue, and while it's blue, just under the font there's a B for bold button. I'm tapping that once. When I click off, I can see that one word is bold. I'm going to do that with another word, make it bold. If I double click on another word, just next to the B for bold is the I for italics. And if I double click on another word, next to the I for italics is the U for underline. If I want to select a couple of words in the middle of a document somewhere, I click my mouse on and hold on and drag across a couple of words. And while those words are blue, I can make them bold, and I can make them italics, and I can make them underline. You can do any combinations. Be careful not to get too carried away with this. It can make the page look messy. But for this activity, please experiment and have a bit of fun with us, and then save your work.